It's essentially about the application. That's why we in IT exist. It's about providing the business their applications. And I'm going to be big on acronyms too. I work with the government. I feel like we have to have them. IT as a service to me is about the 3 A's. I kind of cheat and throw in a 4th A. It's about making the application available anywhere at any time. You can be cute and call it 8 to the 4th power if you like to. But that's essentially what IT as a service is driving us to. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the application. And not just file print servers, not just domain controllers. We're talking business critical applications. Okay? And as such, there comes challenges. You know, I came from the IT operations background. I live by the motto that failure is not an option. So I better have contingency A, B, and C. To really boil this down, I'll hit you with another acronym. The challenges we have here involve around 4 areas I call MAS. Management, how do we provision, how do we control, how do we monitor? Application availability, going back to what I said earlier, it's got to be available. If that user can't get to that application, we're not doing our job. To go with accessibility, and availability and accessibility. And the last is security, okay? Is security. And that has to do with making sure that information doesn't bleed over from one system into another. You know, going back to what I said earlier around the journey, when you start collapsing, virtualizing servers and start collapsing them onto the same physical infrastructure, you break some glass there in some organizations. Okay, how do I prove that it's how do I prove it's net worthy? How do I get authorization to operate? Okay. And we'll talk about some of these and some of the advances we've made to help ease customers into alleviating those concerns.